Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean the inside of your DeLonghi Magnifica coffee making machine. First step, to enter inside the machine or the area inside of the machine, we have to open the main gate. Danger of electric shock. Before cleaning internal parts, the machine must be turned off and unplugged from the mains power supply. There it is, the inside of your DeLonghi machine. Wow, there it is. This we are going to clean. But first we have to disassemble something. First step, we have to disassemble or unplug this tablet. Only slide it out. Good job. Now, as you can see, there is so much dirt. But there is more what we have to disassemble first to get a better overview inside the machine. That is the infuser. The infuser has to disassemble too. How to disassemble the infuser? Extract the drip tray and the grounds container. We did it. And now press the two release buttons inwards and at the same time pull the infuser outwards. Easy going. So let's do it. Push and pull. Good job. Push and pull. Yeah, now it's extract. Do it again. Push and pull it out. There it is. Now we have enough space to clean the inside of the machine. Let's take a cloth or a sponge and then make a little bit of hot water on it with a little bit of soap. And then we can start. You can use a brush too for the edges, of course. Or you can take a napkin, as you can see, for the main dirt. Extract the main dirt first before you're going to clean it in a soap way with your cloth. There it is. Good job. You can use a brush for this too, because at the most time it is not wet inside, because the powder is like dust. And then you can start with cleaning the inside of the machine. There on the top side you can use this cloth and a little bit of soap and water. Then you can have a washout. Do not fill the inside of the machine with water. This is not so good. And do not forget the front, of course. Now it's time to clean. Wipe it clean and easy. Good job. Keep going. It is important to do this once a month because of the bacteria. Okay, yeah, it looks nice, really nice now, but it is not enough. Check regularly, about once a month, that the inside of the pillions accessible after removing the drip tray, we did it, is not dirty. If necessary, remove coffee deposits with a brush and a sponge or a cloth, as you can see. And of course we are going to make it all, but don't dip water inside the machine because of the electronic compounds. Okay, it has to be only a little bit wet soap on your cloth, and then start wiping. And a little tip is, if you have a problem with the edges, use a brush, of course, or use a screwdriver for this. If you take a screwdriver with your cloth, then press it into the edges, and now you can get out the dirt easily. Or you can use a cloth with a hard edge. That it means like this. And as you can see, a little bit is left there. And another time, another wipe. Let's do this with the screwdriver. Flat screwdriver, of course. Now push on top and then the dirt is coming out. Good job. Yeah, clean as you. Wow. The other side, do the same. Let's speed it up a little bit. This is fast, as you can see. Yeah, fast cleaning action in progress. Yeah, that is nice and easy. And don't forget to do this once a month, okay? Because once a month is nice. Yeah, that it is. Job's nearly done. Only in the center there is a hole. This hole we are going to clean with a cloth plus the screwdriver, because our screwdriver is a nice and easy tool. But you can use also a brush for this, okay? Or a toothbrush, for example. Make your own ideas with this. So now it's nice and clean, as you can see. Yeah, and that it is nearly. Now go from the upper side to the bottom side, because the dirt is falling down every time. So you start at the upper side and at the end wipe out the bottom side. Then use for the edges your screwdriver again or a brush. Yeah, there it is. Wipe out, nearly completed. That it is the mission. But there's anything. What we have to do next, we have to reassemble everything. Yeah, that looks clean and shiny. Nice job. To assemble the device, we have to first assemble the infuser, of course. Now, for a little tip, maybe you can clean the infuser too at this time. But now, it is only the inner side of the machine. In my playlist are so many other different cleaning videos about this machine. You can watch this too if you like. So, now it's time to replacing the infuser. Replace the infuser by sliding it onto the internal support and pin at the bottom. Then push the push symbol fully in until it clicks into place. Easy going, as you can see. There is the push button. Now push it back in position. Again, you have to aim a little bit better. There is the slide. And there is the other rail. Let's go inside. Push and locks. There it is. Good job. Assemble it. Do it again. There it is. Push. Job's done. Easy going. Now, anything or only one thing is left. We have to assemble the drip tray again. Only slide the drip tray back in position, and then it is job's done. Shiny device to make so many more coffees every morning. Only one thing, you have to close the gate, and then thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.